What's the meaning of carboy? Carboy. Carboy.
Carboy. Carboy. A carboy is a large glass or plastic container used for storing liquids, especially in laboratory settings. It typically has a narrow neck and a wide body, making it easy to pour liquids in and out. The word carboy comes from the Persian word karaba, which means big jug. Carboys are commonly used to store chemicals, acids, and solvents because they are durable and can withstand exposure to corrosive materials. They are also used for fermentation in brewing beer or wine. Overall, a carboy is a versatile vessel that plays an important role in various industries.